Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into living room makeovers on a budget. We'll explore 5 simple, budget-friendly ideas that can truly transform your space. Whether you're refreshing walls, revamping furniture, or adding charming touches, we've got you covered. So grab your paintbrushes and creative caps and let's get started. Let's make your living room feel like home without breaking the bank. Let's kick things off with the heart of any room: the walls. They are the canvas upon which the entire ambiance of your living space is painted. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a more vibrant, eclectic style, the walls set the tone. A fresh coat of paint is a budget-friendly way to change the look and feel of your living room. It's amazing how a simple color change can breathe new life into a space. Plus, painting is a fun DIY project that you can tackle over a weekend. Think about the mood you want to create with colors. Soft pastels can make a room feel calm and serene, while bright, bold colors can energize the space. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and tones. For a bold touch, consider an accent wall. This is a great way to add a pop of color without overwhelming the room. Choose a wall that naturally draws attention, like the one behind your sofa or the wall with the fireplace. Imagine a rich navy accent wall behind your sofa. Instant sophistication. This deep, luxurious color can add depth and drama to your living room, making it feel both cozy and elegant. If you're renting or not ready to commit to paint, try peel and stick wallpaper. It's a fantastic alternative that allows you to experiment with different styles without the permanence of paint. It's easy to apply and remove, offering gorgeous patterns and textures. From subtle textures to bold prints, peel and stick wallpaper can transform your walls in no time. Larger patterns can make a room feel bigger, while smaller ones add whimsy. Consider the scale of your room when choosing patterns to ensure they complement the space. Mix and match for a unique look. Combining different patterns and textures can create a dynamic and personalized space that truly reflects your style. Your walls are a blank canvas. Have fun and let your personality shine. Whether you choose paint or wallpaper, the key is to make your living room a reflection of who you are. So go ahead, get creative and transform your space into a place you love. Now let's talk about furniture. Transforming your living room doesn't always mean buying new pieces. Sometimes a little creativity and rearrangement can make a world of difference. You don't need new pieces to refresh your living room. Start by taking a good look at what you already have. Often, simply moving things around can breathe new life into a space. Rearrange your furniture to transform the space. Consider the flow of the room and how you use it. Sometimes, just changing the orientation of your sofa or chairs can create a more inviting atmosphere. Try pulling your sofa away from the wall or creating a cozy conversation area. This can make the room feel more intimate and welcoming, perfect for gatherings with family and friends. Upcycle hand-me-down pieces with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. This is a cost-effective way to give old furniture a new lease on life and add a personal touch to your decor. Distressing techniques can add rustic charm. Sanding down edges or using special paints can give your furniture a vintage, well-loved look that adds character to your home. Accessorize with budget-friendly finds from thrift stores and flea markets. These places are treasure troves for unique items that can add personality and charm to your living room. Look for unique vases, sculptures, or vintage globes. These items can serve as conversation starters and add a touch of elegance or whimsy to your space. Coffee table books add color and personality. Choose books that reflect your interests and style. They can be both decorative and a great way to share your passions with guests. Be resourceful and mix different styles for a unique look. Combining modern pieces with vintage finds can create a space that is truly your own, reflecting your personal taste and creativity. Let's talk about lighting. Lighting is one of the most crucial elements in interior design. It can transform a space, making it feel warm and inviting or cold and unwelcoming. The best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve the perfect ambiance. It can make or break a room without breaking the bank. Start by assessing the natural light in your space. Use it to your advantage during the day, and supplement it with artificial lighting as needed. Layer your lighting with table lamps, which are versatile and can be moved around easily. They come in various styles, so you can find one that matches your decor perfectly. Floor lamps are great for adding height and drama to a room. And don't forget candles. They add a soft, flickering glow that's perfect for cozy evenings. Create cozy nooks with well-placed lamps. Think about areas where you read, relax, or entertain guests. A well-lit corner can become a favorite spot in your home. Dimmer switches allow you to control lighting intensity for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or having a movie night, you can set the perfect mood with just a twist of a knob. Try DIY lighting projects like updating old lampshades or creating pendant lights. Use vintage baskets, mason jars, or even old teapots as pendant shades. These projects are not only budget-friendly but also add a personal touch to your decor, or old teapots as pendant shades. Get creative and think outside the box. The possibilities are endless, and you'll have unique pieces that no one else has. Consider smart lighting solutions for modern convenience. Smart bulbs and systems allow you to control your lighting with your phone or voice, making it easy to adjust the ambiance without getting up. Smart bulbs let you control lighting with your phone or voice. You can set schedules so your lights turn on and off automatically, or adjust the brightness and color to suit your mood, set timers, dim lights, and even change colors with ease. Imagine coming home to a house that's already lit up just the way you like it, and change colors with ease. With smart lighting, you can create a vibrant, colorful atmosphere for parties, or a calm, soothing environment for relaxation. The choice is yours, and the control is at your fingertips. Let's talk about those finishing touches that personalize your space. Incorporate elements of nature like branches in a vase or potted plants. Fresh flowers can instantly brighten up your coffee table. Create your own artwork or frame fabric and wallpaper. Make a gallery wall with family photos or DIY abstract art. Affordable art prints are available online. Check thrift stores and flea markets for unique pieces. Art reflects your personality, so choose pieces that make you happy. Add charm and character without a big budget. Let's add cozy touches with textiles and rugs. Layering rugs adds visual interest and comfort. Start with a neutral base rug and layer a bolder one on top. Mix and match styles and materials for a unique look. Curtains add height and drama. Hang them high and wide. Play with different fabrics and patterns for variety. Use drop cloths or tablecloths as budget-friendly curtains. Soft throws and pillows add comfort and warmth. Mix textures and patterns for a stylish look. Choose pieces that make you feel at home. And there you have it, 5 budget-friendly living room makeover ideas. Infuse your personality and style into every detail. Embrace DIY projects, thrifted finds, and creative solutions. Start creating and turn your living room dreams into reality. Share your budget-friendly makeovers in the comments below. Happy decorating!